Winter might seem like a time to pack up your garden tools, but guess what? It's the perfect season to grow cold-hardy plants even in small spaces. Stick around, and I'll show you some amazing ideas to keep your green thumb busy this winter. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk plants. Not all plants fear the frost. Cold-hardy champions like kale, spinach, carrots, and herbs such as thyme thrive in cooler weather. They're nutritious, delicious, and perfect for winter gardening. No big backyard? No problem. Small space gardening is all about creativity. Try using vertical planters, stackable pots, or even hanging baskets. Got a windowsill? That's prime real estate for herbs and microgreens. Get crafty with recycled items like crates or mason jars. It's budget-friendly and looks amazing. Winter gardening is all about protection. Frost can be a challenge, but with a little effort, you can shield your plants. Use frost blankets, cloches, or even plastic containers to trap warmth. For a bigger project, consider a mini greenhouse. It's a game changer. Why stop at outdoor gardening? Bring the garden inside. Invest in grow lights and set up a small indoor garden. It's perfect for greens, herbs, and even dwarf fruit plants. Starting seeds indoors is also a great way to get a jump on spring gardening. Winter means less evaporation, so be careful not to overwater. Use well-draining soil and check moisture levels regularly. And don't forget to prune dead leaves. It keeps plants healthy. Winter gardening is not just possible, it's rewarding. Whether you're growing cold-hardy plants outdoors or setting up an indoor garden, there's no better time to start than now. Don't let the cold stop you from enjoying fresh produce and beautiful greenery all season long. Like this video? Hit that thumbs up, share your winter gardening tips in the comments, and subscribe for more ways to grow your dream garden year-round. Happy gardening!